Israel don finally gree to ceasefire with Iran, and US President Donald Trump don tell both sides say make dem no break am. But things never clear as some Israel leaders dey clash with Prime Minister Netanyahu for the matter. Na small for wetin dey happen for world be dis. Na PidginToriGlobal be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya make we enter the gist proper. Israel don finally gree to ceasefire after dem claim say dem don achieve wetin dem plan to wipe out Iran nuclear and missile wahala. According to Israel, dem don remove the two immediate threats wey fit destroy dem: nuclear bomb and ballistic missiles. Dem still talk say dem scatter plenty big government targets for Iran and wound military leaders well. For inside one day, Israel army say dem hit important locations for central Tehran, kill hundreds of Basij operatives wey dey always support government against protests, and even eliminate another top nuclear scientist. Israel also thank President Trump and US for the help and support wey dem give dem to destroy Iran nuclear plan. President Donald Trump don announce say ceasefire don start between Israel and Iran, and e beg both countries make dem no break di agreement. Hours later, Israel gree say dem go respect the ceasefire, but warn say if Iran try nonsense, dem go respond forcefully. Before the ceasefire enter, Iran bin talk say dem go stop to the fire only if Israel stop first. Still, before peace enter, Israel say Iran attack overnight kill 4 people. Tehran also see heavy bombing that night. All of this wahala start after Iran launched missiles go US airbase to revenge the earlier US and Israeli airstrikes on Iran nuclear sites. But Qatar say they intercept all the missiles. One professor for University of Tehran, Ford Izadi, don talk say he believe say Israel dey try repeat wetin dem do Lebanon. Claim say ceasefire dey but still dey attack and kill anytime dem like. But he say the strategy no go work for Iran side. Izadi talk say Iran ballistic missiles still dey work well and dem still fire some this morning. He say dem hope say Israel go open eye and understand say this attack na big strategic mistake. According to am, Israel no fit change Iran government as dem plan, and dem no fit stop Iran ballistic missile program. And even after dem kill some leaders, Iran military still stand strong. He add say if America and Israel really look well, dem go see say the way dem attack Iran no make sense at all. Some big people inside Israel government no dey happy say dem agree ceasefire with Iran. Dan Elos from Netanyahu Likud party talk say Israel suppose no dey sign any deal with Iran unless na surrender paper. For post wey e drop for X, e talk say Iran government na one kind regime wey dem suppose defeat, no be to dey do agreement with. Another lawmaker, Avigdor Lieberman, wey head Israel Beitenu party, still blast the ceasefire. He say to leave Iran like this be like to leave wounded lion. E go just cause another serious war in 2 to 3 years time. Now, pressure dey build for Prime Minister Netanyahu from some right-wing people and headliners inside im own party. Some dey push make Israel continue to deal with Iran strong and even suggest say make Iran break into ethnic regions. Flights don dey cancel or reroute anyhow as flight between Israel and Iran heat up. Qatar airport for Doha shut down on Monday after Iran fire missile go US military base for there, say na revenge for how US attack their nuclear site over the weekend. For Dubai airport, wey be the busiest airport for the world, flights pause small and dem warn passengers make dem expect delay and cancellation. Over 12 airlines don cancel flights go that area since tension start to rise. Air India say dem stop all flights wey dey go Middle East and even flights to Europe and North America. Japan Airlines still cancel their Tokyo to Doha flight. Leader of Democrats Party for Israel, Yair Golan, don beg government make dem end Gaza war just like dem do ceasefire with Iran. For post wey e drop for X, Golan talk say na time to return all the hostages, stop Gaza fight and end wetin e call coup wey dey divide and weaken Israel. Opposition oga Yair Lapid follow talk the same thing. For im own statement, e say, and now Gaza, e don reach to end that one too. Return hostages, stop the war. Israel need to rebuild. Rescue team for Indonesia dey find 26-year-old Brazilian woman Juliana Marins wey fall from cliff near Mount Rinjani crater on Saturday morning. She bin dey hike with group wen she miss road and fall from one dangerous spot around 6:30 local time. Authorities say na rugged terrain and heavy fog dey make rescue hard. On Saturday, rescuers hear her voice and even see am from drone footage. She dey move, but she look shocked. Later, dem no fit reach her again or hear anything from her. By Sunday, she no dey the same spot again and rescuers believe say she don fall go deeper. On Monday, dem manage locate her again with drone, but rescuers stop halfway because of the bad weather. Family talk say she never chop, drink water or get warm cloth for 3 days and parks still dey open for tourists to dey hike. Officials from Indonesia Forestry Ministry talk say dem no close the hike route because e for scatter arrangements of other hikers and say dem warn people not to near where rescue dey go on. Rescue mission don restart on Tuesday as families still dey hope say Juliana go survive. Thailand don stop all travelers, including tourists, from waka enter Cambodia as wahala still dey between both countries over land matter. The new ban cover people and motors wey wan pass border checkpoints for many Thai states and even affect foreign tourists wey dey fly go Siem Reap. Thailand army talk say the ban match the current security condition. Since May, tension don high after gunfire near border kill one Cambodian soldier. Both countries don dey punish each other since then and Cambodia ban import of Thai goods like fruits, lights, internet, even Thai movies and series. Thailand say only people wey get serious reason like students or sick people fit cross if officials approve. Dem also talk say the ban go help reduce illegal scam businesses inside Cambodia. The beef between Cambodia and Thailand no be today. E start since French colonization time wey dem draw the border lines. Wetin suppose be one normal fun weekend, Lake Tahoe don turn disaster as sudden storm waka enter, cause heavy wind and big wave wey capsize boats. Officials don confirm say 8 people don die. Wetin start like small cold breeze later turn to 35 mph wind wey even carry snow join. Waves rise reach 8 feet and many boats including 27-feet tourist boat capsize. The water dey so wild, boats dey crash into each other, some even smash reach shore. Wetin shock everybody na how fast e happen. Within 35 minutes, Gloria wey be one of the boats say she count 9 boats wey don pile for the front of their own. The band wey dey play before don run comot and their stage don disappear underwater. Authorities say 10 people fall inside water from the tourist boat, but only 2 survive. Dem find 2 more bodies on Monday. Gloria, wey grow for Lake Tahoe, talk say she sabi say weather dey change quick, but she never see storm reach this kind level before. According to her, the water just dey scream reach shore. E bad well. Authorities still dey investigate the matter, but rescue work tough because of the terrain and how fast the weather change. And the last one for today, UK Competition and Markets Authority (CMA) don tell Google say dem fit force dem to change how e dey do research for UK if dem find say Google hold too much power for that area. Google dey control over 90% of online search for UK and more than 200,000 businesses dey depend on Google ads to reach customers. The CMA say dem never accuse Google of any bad play yet, but dem don drop plans wey fit bring more competition and better choice. Dem suggest say Google fit add choice screen wey go allow people choose other search engines or make am easy for publishers to get better control over how their content dey appear for search results and increase transparency for both users and businesses. The average UK person dey do 5 to 10 searches per day and small businesses dey spend around £33,000 a year on Google ads. CMA say competition fit reduce that cost if things dey balanced. Google say the plan too broad, but dem go still cooperate with CMA. Dem warn say the changes fit affect how businesses and people dey use their platform. CMA go draw final decision by October. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Goffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.